Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix delayed notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, open Settings, then open the Apps menu, and then find your application on this list, the one that you want to re-enable notifications for example, it can be Gmail. Now make sure that the notifications are allowed for this app and turn off managing app if unused, as this may revoke the application's notifications permission. And then go to battery and select Unrestricted to allow this app to use battery in the background without restrictions, which will send you all the notifications immediately from this application. And so that's how you fix this issue on your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.